Hello everyone, this is the industrial age, and in today's video we are discussing about incoming material control. So first, what is incoming material control? Incoming material control, in short IMC, is a quality control process that ensures that incoming raw material and component meet the required specification and quality standards before being used in a production. Incoming material control is an essential part of the supply chain management process and helps to prevent defects, reduce cost, and improve overall product quality. Why is incoming material control important? Prevent defect. IMC, incoming material control, helps to prevent defect by identifying and rejecting non-conforming materials before they enter the production process. Also, this can save a significant amount of time and money in rework and scrap cost. Second, to reduce cost. Incoming material control can help to reduce cost by preventing the purchase of substandard materials that may require rework or lead to product recall. Also, it can help to improve supplier performance by providing feedback on the quality of their material. Third, to improve product quality. Incoming material control can help to improve product quality by ensuring that only the highest quality materials are used in production. Also, this can lead to increased customer satisfaction and a better reputation of the company. Now, how does incoming material control works? The specific steps involved in incoming material control will vary depending on the company and the type of material being inspected. However, the general process is as follows. First, receiving. The materials are received from the supplier and inspected for damage or obvious defects. Second, identification. The materials are identified and matched to the purchase order to ensure that the correct materials have been received. Third, inspection. The materials are inspected for conformance to the PO specification. This may involve visual inspection, dimensional inspection, or testing. Fourth, acceptance or rejections. The material are either accepted or rejected based on the result of the inspection. Accepted material are moved to the storage while rejected material are returned to the supplier. What are the challenges of incoming material control? The first challenge, the increasing complexity of materials. As material become more complex, it can be more difficult to inspect them for defect. Second challenge, the growing number of suppliers. Companies are increasingly sourcing material from a global network of suppliers, which can make it more difficult to ensure the quality of incoming material. Third challenge, the need of speed. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies need to be able to inspect material very quickly without sacrificing the quality. Despite these challenges, incoming material control is an essential part of the supply chain management process. By implementing a robust IMC, incoming material control program, company can help to prevent defects, reduce cost, and improve overall product quality.